Class Director flags up the 3rd edition of Run for the Girl Child Education.
Government of Uganda, we aim to ensure that the development goals are achieved, where a girl child participate actively in the transformation and economic activities of Uganda. That's why recently we attained a loan of $217 million from, which is equivalent of about 850 billion from the World Bank for growth project for women in business. So this money is in our ministry agenda. It is a private sector foundation. You can every go and have that money as a student who has a small business. As you noticed, our census result released recently, young people between 17 below, they are over 50%. Then 17 to 30, who among you make up about 22%. This is not a small number to look at. We cannot undermine you. We should work with you and we should hear from you so that we perform better to your expectations and also to what you need.
All the money that is collected from these runs supports children. The first year we supported how many? Six girls. Last year we were able to support 103. You can see how the graph is going. So we are hoping that this year we'll be able to support several hundred girls who would otherwise drop out of school if we do not support them.